Late evening fish up on top of box rack. He was ready to. We're back for another morning, 9th of July, back on the exploits. I got a fishing buddy with me this morning. My buddy Plea, going to see if we can get his tags filled. Say good morning, Plea. It's going to be another hot day today, 26 or 28 degrees for sure. I don't get a cameraman very often, right? So, gone. Oh. That's about 1,000 to 1 for the fish for me here. They're not staying hooked very good for me for some reason. Even my fishing buddy this morning, look. Big smile on his face with his second hook up in the morning. That fella's gonna swim right in the boat, this fella is, look. Jesus. That's what it's all about, tight lines on the Exploits River. We're after having a bit of fun here this morning. We've been here for about 90 minutes, I suppose, give or take. And this is Plea's second hookup. I've had a hookup, struck a couple.
Nice fish if we can get him.
It's a lot easier to film when you're not trying to reel at the same time, let me tell you. He's down deep, you don't want to show yourself. Oh, there he is. We're not trying to dip that yet. You tell me when you want to. Huh?
He's still got his nose there. Hold on, do her.
These flies out anyway. It's a nice fish, but
So, beauty. Beauty.
the salmon smiles are live and exploits.
Good job. Come here, right, come here.
There's some shit in it, that is.
Right?
Jesus, nice fish, buddy.
Sunny boy. All right, let's go.
I'll measure the tape there.
Okay.
He's, I'm gonna guess he's 60.
Yeah, I'm gonna try anyway.
Yeah.
50.
We're here in Newfoundland. When you're measuring salmon, you measure them from the tip of the nose to the fork of the tail, and
All right.
you measure from the tip of the nose to the fork of the tail, and he got a rough measurement on that one there.
58 centimeters. 58 centimeters.
58 centimeters. Yeah, he measured that, or we measured that one there. He's 58. Newfoundland, anything 63 centimeters or bigger has to go back. That confuses some people because a couple of years ago you could keep them 63 and smaller was the rule, but they changed that a couple of years ago, and now 63 and bigger goes back.
Very good.
There is what? Clee just tagged out, boy. Caught his second fish. Never got that one on. Never got his second one on camera. We were too busy trying to get him in to make sure he filled his tags before he goes. We're here now. Clee just landed his fish, and I took a little break. Just cast out my green bomber and just had one up right there by the boat. We're going to see if he comes back again. Little short line. Most of the fish I've been catching the last couple of days have only been with 20 feet from the boat. Oh, here you come again.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't win with that one. That's twice now I come, and every time he come, I hauls back, and all I'm hooking is plea. I think you're clear there, buddy. He come again. Third time, yeah. I finally hooked one on a dry fly after 3 days. I'm after rising with a few, but that's the first one I hooked. I rose him once and he come pretty good second time. Lovely, nice fish. Turn around. Thanks, Grady. 927. Try and get his head out of the water here so we can get him a little bit handier to the net.
Not afraid.
Can't complain about that morning. We came down here at 5 o'clock, quarter after 5 we got here. We're after hooking a bunch of fish, or striking a couple. We're after hooking a couple each, and I let one go there. Please tagged out, he got his 2 fish. So we had a fantastic morning. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us for some more adventures. If I could hook the fish as good as I could hook plea there, we'd be alright. And if he's 64, we're going to destroy this tape. And make sure you vote for Plea Forsey there in the next election. Great guy from Exploits. What is it? Exploits
District.
Exploits District. There you go, Ola. Point that wherever he wants to look. Oh. I don't get a cameraman very often. You the other way, buddy.
Oh, this way.
I can guarantee you one thing.
What?
He's not going to vote for you. Take off my pink glasses. Fuck you. So fuck that. So anyway, you can always leave it up in the sun on the front of the boat and let it shrink a bit before he goes ashore.